what's going on, guys? Making a quick video for you with the Fiat 500e. Now, as we see here, I have a 105-mile range right now. The battery gauge right here says 100% over here. Now, I've actually gone about 3 months where I've not seen 105 after a full charge. Sometimes it's like 85, sometimes it's like 95, 98. But the bar over here, the green bar, still shows 100%. But the mile range right here will differ. And again, my AC's not on. Right now, my lights are on because it's dark, you know, but this range will definitely vary where I thought, oh goodness, my battery's starting to go out on me. What's the deal? Because, you know, after a full charge, it literally would say like 85, 89. The other day I got 95. The other day I got 98. I haven't seen 105 on the gauge. And again, like I mentioned, about 3 months. So just know that even though it is charging 100%, the miles will vary after a full charge. Hopefully that does make sense. If you guys have any more better explanations than that, please leave it in the comments below so other people, and myself included, can learn more about this car. I've had it for about 6 months. Love it. Absolutely fantastic drive. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Subscribe. I got a lot more videos coming your way on this car.